Hi guys, how are you all doing? I am Shreya and welcome to my channel. So without wasting any time, let me open the suspense to you that you must have already seen, that today we are going to do a makeup that is inspired by the Katrina Kaif wedding look, the look that she took for her wedding. So we are going to do a makeup that looks almost the same as her. And yes, and newly brides and the people who love getting ready, they can just follow this method. So we will start by applying moisturizer, and before that guys, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so just take a good moisturizer, any moisturizer that you love to, and after that hydrate your lips as well and keep hydrating your body as well. So I have taken pomegranate juice. You can take any juice that you like to, because if you are especially a new bride, then you must be healthy, then only your skin will shine. After that I took my Color Essence primer. So I'm going to basically apply it to my T-zone areas, and then I will rub the remaining all over my face because my T-zone areas are mostly oily, and yes, I do not want to like have excess oil when I have makeup on. So the excess part I just rubbed it over to my face. Then I'm going to take a peach corrector and I'm going to apply it on my under eyes and places where I have some darkness. So when I'm going to like cover it with foundation and all, so these areas won't look dark or grayish in color. So I applied it on my eyes, near my lips, near my nose, and yes, then I will again wait for like you can say 10 seconds maybe, so that it gets easily absorbed in the skin and it doesn't look that it is coming out of the skin. So till then I will drink the juice in between. You can also do something. And after that I'm just going to take a sponge. You can take a dry sponge, avoid taking wet sponge because that can actually remove out all the corrector. So yes, I prefer taking dry sponges only, and then I will gently rub it over. I'm not going to drag the sponge. After that it's turn for my foundation. So I'm going to take a Makeup Girl foundation that almost suits my skin. And yes, I'm going to take a wet sponge and then I'm going to dab all over my face quickly and gently. I have increased the speed. Of course you are not going to like do it so speedily. Otherwise if I will not increase the speed, the video will be very long. So that is why I have increased the speed for you all guys. You just complete it in the process not so quickly. Take your time to do it. After that I'm going to take my concealer that is one shade lighter to my skin, and I'm going to apply it on my eyes, on under the eyes, and on my nose, the center of the nose, and then to areas where I want that it should shine a bit. So maybe on my forehead, a little bit on near my lips and all. So yes, and I want that also my contour should look very good, because if you see the picture, then you will get to know that okay, she has like a very good contour on her face. So if you want that contour, so yeah, you have to like apply your concealer like this and make sure that it is one shade lighter. Again we are going to take a dry sponge and then I will just dab on that concealer. Make sure that you are not dragging it, otherwise there is no point of applying a concealer. So yes, we gently just dabbed it all over the face, and yeah. After that it was turn for my eyebrows. So first I am going to do a spoolie. I am not going to make the eyebrows look very heavy, as you can see in the look only, and I am just going to gently fill in the eyebrows, the spaces that I have between my eyebrows, and a little bit of lining, not much, because we do not want to create a heavy look with the eyebrows. So just like filling. My color is blackish, or you can say dark brownish, so I prefer taking dark brown shades. So I'm just taking an angular brush and I am filling my eyebrows in. That's it. And then again with a spoolie, so that there are no harsh lines on my eyebrows, otherwise it will look very artificial kind of look. I don't want that. We want a natural kind of look. Now for applying my eyeshadow, I have like applied tapes on the corners of my eyes so that it looks very angular and it looks very finished. So first I started with a light brownish kind of shade, you can say, and I applied it as a base on both of my eyes, and I will take a fluffy brush for it and then I am going to do it. Otherwise if you will take a flat brush, it is not going to spread very easily. People can do it with a flat brush also, but I am not so comfortable. So yeah, I'm going to darken it a bit. Then I will take my next shade, and that is kind of a pinkish shade. You can say magenta pinkish shade, and that I'm going to apply at the corners of my eyes so that we get a beautiful angle. And then I'm going to take it from to the top of my eye. Look, yeah, as you can see in the video also. So yeah, this is actually a shining shade, so it will give you a little bit of shine as well. You can like actually go without shine as well. So I'm just going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes and starting from the top of my eye. Then my next shade would be a shiny shade. So this was like a light pinkish glittery shade, and then I'm going to apply it from the starting of my eye to the center of my eye. So in total, it will be a glittery and very peachy pinkish kind of eye look, and it will look so pretty. It is just perfect for newly brides, and everybody would love it. You yourself will love your eyes, and as well as the other person seeing you will also love it. So yes, I just went for it, and then at the end you just have to like kind of merge it so there are no harsh lines. It's not looking like there are 3 shades. And the end you just have to like apply a brown liner kind of thing. You can do it with your eyeshadow only, so that yeah, it gives a definition to your eyes. That's the only point. And now I'm just going to take my remove my tape, and then from that only I will extend it to the lower eye, like to the lower lashes below that. And yes, now I'm going to curl my lashes with my curler, and after that I'm going to apply my mascara to it. I do not like applying false lashes, but yes, if you like to, you can definitely go for it. But I feel personally that it is like a huge thing to apply lashes and then to remove it. So yeah, for videos I don't like it to do as of now. Maybe if you will suggest, I will do it in the near future. But yes, if you like it, you can definitely go for it. So I applied mascara on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes, and then it was turned for my contour. So I'm just going to take a light brown shade, and not the contouring won't be much, and it would not look over the top. So you just have to start from like the end of your forehead to your cheeks, and then a little bit near your chin as well, so you get a beautiful jawline. After that, for nose, I am just doing it with my hand. So you just have to make 2 lines and then rub it gently. Not doing much of the contouring on my nose because it looks very bad if it goes like over. So yeah, I don't do much contouring on my face. Then it's turn for the blush. So smile and just apply a light pinkish shade on your cheeks. I'm not going to apply too much blush because it will like mera look kharab kar dega. Then yeah, I don't want my look to like go all pink. And then it was turned for my lipstick. So I'm going to start with a pink lipstick. I think it is looking very dark on camera, but it was not so dark, and slowly it will like lessen down. The color will become light. And then it was turned for my highlighter. So I'm going to just take Color Essence highlighter, and I've applied it on my cheekbones, then a bit on my nose, the top of my lips, and to my inner eyebrows, so that my face shines like it will be a natural glow kind of thing. It won't be like you are just shining like a glitter. It won't be like that. Now it's turn for my earrings. I didn't wear any matching earrings. You can go for any earrings you like, and then you can carry a dupatta, and this look is complete. So I hope you like the look. And then you can wear a ring as well to complete the look. And if you like the look, please do comment below, try it yourself, tag me on Instagram. And yes, so of course I have completed it with a bindi. I forgot to say that. And yes, this look is complete and done, and I hope you liked it and you will try it. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys, take care, love you.